If Krita is showing a VCRUntime error, don't worry. This usually means Krita cannot find the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime libraries it needs to launch properly. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it, step by step, so you can get Krita open again and back to creating without the frustration. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first and most important fix is to install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. This is the definitive solution for this specific error because it contains the system files Krita needs to run. To do that, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ download page. Make sure you are downloading from Microsoft directly so you know you are getting the safe and correct installer. Once you're on the download page, look for the x64 installer and download it. If your computer is running a 64-bit version of Windows, this is usually the version you need first. After the download finishes, open the installer and run it. Follow the prompts, accept the terms if needed, and let the setup complete fully. When it finishes, restart your computer. This restart is important because it allows Windows to register the new runtime files properly. After your computer comes back on, try opening Krita again. In many cases, that alone fixes the VCRUntime error immediately. But if the error is still showing, there is one more version you should install, especially on some 64-bit systems where the application or one of its components may still depend on the 32-bit library. To do that, go back to the same Microsoft Visual C++ download page. This time, download the x86 installer. Even if your computer is 64-bit, the x86 package can still be required for certain programs and dependencies. Run that installer as well, complete the setup, and then restart your computer again. This extra step often resolves the problem when the first install by itself is not enough. If Krita still won't open after installing both versions, there is another useful workaround you can try. Use the Krita Portable ZIP version instead. This is especially helpful if Windows permissions are blocking the installer from placing DLL files into the correct system folders, or if something on your machine is interfering with the normal install process. To use this method, go to the official Krita website and download the Windows Portable ZIP version. After the file downloads, extract the folder to a location you can easily access, such as your desktop or documents folder. Open the extracted folder, then go into the bin folder inside it. In that folder, find krita.exe and run it directly. Because the portable version keeps its files together inside the folder, it can bypass some system-level issues that cause the VCRUntime error on regular installations. If the portable version opens correctly, that's a strong sign the issue was tied to the missing runtime libraries or a Windows permission problem, not Krita itself. So to recap, the best fix is to install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, starting with x64, then x86 if needed, and restart after each install. If that's still doesn't solve it, try the Krita Portable ZIP version and launch krita.exe from the bin folder. One of these steps usually resolves the VCRUntime error and gets Krita running again. If this tutorial helped you fix Krita, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.